As the wind howls a stormy tune and the rain pours down a silver deluge, a beautiful dream, it fades too soon, and stark reality, it does emerge. Every drop on the window pane reflects a vision of what used to be. A love, a hope, a sweet refrain, now just a ghost for all to see. A wet gray world so dull, yet stark and clear. Though sunlight hides, its absence paints the day. We stand like lava, trapped year after year. Time's ceaseless current sweeps our joys away. Every drop on the window pane reflects a vision of what used to be. A love, a hope, a sweet refrain, now just a ghost for all to see. For the hidden wounds, they run so deep, no light of hope, no guiding star to find. The promises we vowed to always keep, now shattered remnants of a fragile mind. Every drop on the window pane reflects a vision of what used to be. A love, a hope, a sweet refrain, now just a ghost for all to see. Lost in the rain, no sun, no gleam, just memories of a beautiful dream.